Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then we have a drug called as cyproheptadine. This cyproheptadine also has an anti-serotonergic property, or it has an anticholinergic property. Cyproheptadine has anti-serotonergic and anticholinergic property, so it is used in cold urticaria or cholinergic urticaria. It can be used in carcinoid syndrome and selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors induced sexual dysfunction. We can use this, and we can use it in poor eaters with growth hormone deficiency, and it is also used as a prophylaxis of migraine. We can use the cyproheptadine. Cyproheptadine is used in cold urticaria, cholinergic urticaria, then carcinoid syndrome. It is used in selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors induced sexual dysfunction, poor eaters with growth hormone deficiency, and prophylaxis of migraine.
thank you and thank you for watching.